How to record phone screen without Watermark on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record your phone screen without Watermark. If you're tired of screen recorders adding giant watermarks, I'll show you the best built-in and free methods to record your clean watermark-free videos. First thing first, you need to use is built-in screen recorders. Most Android phones already have a built-in recorder, so you can just swipe down on your quick panel. You can find the recorder option right here. You can just tap on it to start recording your screen. You can also adjust your change the recording quality for better results. You can go over to this settings right here for screen recordings. Tap on video quality. Make sure it's selected to the highest level. And you can also select your recording sounds if you want media, mic, or both. And then you can also use the Google Play Games for recording. If you want to record gameplay, you can open Google Play Games, choose your game, and you can tap the record icon to capture the gameplay with no watermark. You can also use other third-party applications like I'm doing here, like X Recorder or AZ Recorder. You can easily go ahead and find it on Play Store. Basically search for screen recorder here. And the first thing that you see will be the best option for you. As you can see here, this screen recorder has over 50 million downloads. You can download it. You have this one as well. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.